Hello everyone, I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now we are going to see about physiology of pregnancy. In- Introduction. Pregnancy and the associated changes are a normal physiological process in response to the development of this fetus. These changes happen in response to many factors: hormonal changes, increase in the total blood volume, weight gain, and increase in fetus size as the pregnancy progresses. All these factors have a physiological impact on the pregnant woman. The musculoskeletal, endocrine, reproductive, cardiovascular, respiratory, nervous, urinary, gastrointestinal, and immune system are affected along with the changes to the skin and breast. The full gestation period is 39 to 40 weeks and a preterm birth is classed as delivery before 37 weeks gestation, although there is variation internationally and it is thought that the length of human pregnancies also vary naturally. Anatomy background. The pelvis, sacrum, pubis, ischium and pubic symphysis. The pelvis is the region found between the trunk and lower limbs. In females, the pelvis is wider and lower than that of their male counterpart, making it more suited to accommodate a fetus during both pregnancy and delivery. It protects and supports the pelvic content, provide muscle attachment and facilitates the transfer of weight from trunk to legs in standing and to the ischial tuberosities in sitting. The cross-sectional anatomy of the female pelvis shows five bones: two hip bones, cerebrum, coccyx, and two femurs. The joints are supported by some of the strongest ligaments in the body, which become laxer during pregnancy, leading to increased joint mobility and less efficient load transfer through the pelvis. The pelvic outlet at the base of the pelvis is narrower in its transverse diameter. When compared with the pelvic inlet, it comprises the pubic arch, ischial spines, sacrotuberous ligaments, and coccyx. Four pairs of abdominal muscles combine to form the anterior and lateral abdominal wall and may be termed the abdominal corset. This contains uterine tube, ovary, uterus, vesicouterine pouch, bladder, vagina, urethra, labium minus, labium majus, and fornix, cervix, rectum, and anus. Type equation here. Transversus lies deep to the internal abdominal oblique and the external oblique, with the rectus abdominis central, anterior, and superficial. The internal oblique, external oblique, transversus abdominis insert into one aponeurosis joining in the midline at the linalba. The deep abdominal muscles, together with the pelvic floor muscles, multifidus, and diaphragm. It can be considered as a complete unit and may be termed the lumbopelvic cylinder. This provides support for the abdominal content and maintains intra-abdominal pressure. Organs of the female reproductive system present in the pelvis are subdivided into internal and external Genitalia. The internal genitalia consist of the uterus, two uterine tubes, two ovaries, and the vagina. The external genitalia mainly consist of the mons pubis, clitoris, labia majors, labia minora, and Bartholin glands. Endocrine system changes. Pregnancy is associated with changes in hormone levels. These hormones work together to control the growth and development of the placenta and the fetus and act on the mother to support the pregnancy and prepare for childbirth. Many organs of the body secrete hormones which affect the expectant mother, although when the placenta is developed it then takes over the production of many of these hormones including estrogen, progesterone, human chronic gonadotropin and human placental lactogen, placental growth hormone, relaxin and kisspeptin. This HCG is the first hormone to be released from the developing placenta and is the hormone that is measured in the pregnancy test. It acts as a signal to the mother's body that pregnancy has occurred by maintaining progesterone production. Progesterone is initially produced by corpus luteum, a temporary endocrine gland found in the ovary. Progesterone maintains the pregnancy by supporting the lining of the womb and preventing premature uterine contraction. It reduces the tone of smooth muscles, that is, causing constipation due to the water retention in the colon, and contributes to breast development, increases the storage of fat due to its catabolic effect on metabolism, and increases body temperature. Estrogen. It is also initially produced by the corpus luteum and later by the placenta. Estrogen levels rise towards the end of pregnancy. Estrogen act to stimulate the growth of the uterus to accommodate the growing fetus by having a vasodilation effect and increasing blood flow to the uterus. It allows the uterus to contract by countering the effect of progesterone and in this way prepares the uterus for labor. Estrogen also stimulates the growth and development of the breast. Relaxin. It causes the relaxation of pelvic ligament and softening of the cervix at the end of the pregnancy, which aids the process of labor. Thank you.